While creating a twisted metal, you can simply give a curve as an input. Choose the view that you are going to be working in. Specify the metal width that you need, the twisted metal height, which is the above portion, and the total base metal, that is the portion below it. So if I were to make this 0.6 and I increase this, you can get the twist accordingly. If you increase or decrease the number of cross sections, it will decide on how the twist is going to happen. You can play with the parameters of blending the curves as well, as you can see. And you can press OK to bake it. Observe the back portion is flat and the twist is only on the front side, not the back side.